How to fix too many requests. Please try again later on Genshin Impact. Now, the very first troubleshooting step that you'll need to check is to make sure that you are running or you are currently using the Genshin Impact to the latest version. Now, you should be able to know that your Genshin Impact needs an updating when you pull up the specific application, or you could also check it via the Play Store. So just simply go to your Play Store and look for Genshin Impact. Now, you have to know, or you will be able to know if Genshin Impact needs an updating because there will be a visible update button that will be there. So all you have to do is to just to close everything first while the error is occurring, and then just update the game and just try to relaunch it. Now, second troubleshooting step is to clear cache and cookies with the specific app itself. So all I have to do is just to press and hold on the Genshin Impact application and then just tap on the eye icon right there. And then scroll all the way down. From here, you'll be able to see force stop, uninstall, and clear all data. So just simply tap on clear all data and click on OK. So make sure that while you're doing this troubleshooting step, make sure that your Genshin Impact application is not running. And then the very, very important thing that you need to do last is to make sure that you are fully connected to an internet um, connection. So make sure that you're connected to a stable internet connection, because if you currently run the application and then in the middle of the buff screen or the loading screen, your connection will be interrupted. So that's the reason why you're actually receiving too many requests. Please try again later on Genshin Impact. So yeah, those are the troubleshooting steps and how you can fix too many requests. Please try again later on Genshin Impact.